My people, gather round though. This morning, I looked at my belly and said, my dear, pack your bags. You can't live here rent-free anymore. So I went to my fridge and called on 3 special helpers: sweet pineapple, fresh carrot, and sharp lime. These 3 are my weight loss bodyguards. They fight bloating, kick out toxins, and tell my waistline, behave or disappear. I chop my pineapple into fine chunks, juicy and tempting. Then my carrot, clean, fresh, and ready to hustle this belly fat. I peel my lime because we're not here for bitter surprises today. No blender wahala. Today I'm using my juicer, my trusted machine that squeezes out every single benefit without stress. One quick push through my juicer and voila, a glass of pure motivation. One sip and my belly whispered, Madame, we hear you. We are melting small. I felt light, fresh, and ready to show off my 2012 jeans. But I beg, let's not rush, step by step.